Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update WhatsApp on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to update WhatsApp on our phone, first we'll be required to open the Play Store on the phone, and on this interface guys, at the top of the screen you can see a search bar available for us. Tap on that search bar and write WhatsApp over here and search for it. And over here guys, you can see the WhatsApp Messenger option available for us at the top of the list. But if your phone's WhatsApp application needed an update, over here guys, there would be the update option available for us instead of the open. Since my WhatsApp Messenger is up to date on my phone, there is an open button available for us. But in your case, if it had required update, then you'll be able to tap on that update button on the phone and your WhatsApp will be updated. And with that being said guys, this is how to update WhatsApp on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.